Tired of complicated Revit tutorials? Let me show you how to learn Revit fast, easy, and the right way. Starting now. Hi everyone, my name is Namdar and welcome to your first Revit course. This is not just a video. This is the start of complete Revit tutorials designed for architects who want real results. No long, boring theory, just what you need, clean, fast, and practical. If you stay with this course, you will learn what you need to work confidently with Revit. So hit the subscribe, like this video, and let's into Revit. Let's start from the very beginning, how to create a new project in Revit. So I click on New, and here's something interesting. In Revit, all the templates, architectural, structural, and the map are separated, but in Revit 2024 are combined together. That means you can work with all disciplines in one template, which makes coordination much easier. It's actually a real smart future. But for now, I'm going to keep it simple and choose the architectural template. These templates should be installed on your system during the Revit installation. You might also see templates from different countries. Each one comes with its own standards. Since I'm teaching in English, I will use the English template. If you're just starting out, I recommend using the architectural template too. Later on, we will explore the multidiscipline template together. So I select architectural template and hit OK. Now we are inside the Revit environment. You will see the elevation views here: north, east, south, and west. Over on the left, you will find the properties panel, and below that, the project browser. We will use both of these a lot. If they ever disappear, don't worry, just right click and bring them back, or go to the View tab, click User Interface, and you can turn them back. Now, before we start modeling, we need to set units. Everything in Revit is based on a real world measurement, so it's really important to get these right. UN in keyboard. Here you can set things like angles, slopes, and lengths. Since I'm working in metric, I will set the length unit to meters, and I will round it 2 decimal places. If you're working in the US, you can choose feet and inch instead. And we were ready to go. In the next video, we will start modeling our first ones. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it.